Okay, you open it.
Good afternoon. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material, and you must be properly dressed when the judge asks you to turn your camera on. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you on Zoom as well. In the virtual courtroom, I am Tenisha Yancey. I'm going to preside over your matters today. Are the parties ready to proceed on Ernestine Boudreaux?
Yes, Aaron Tree on behalf of Ms. Boudreaux.
Ms. Ernestine, will you say and spell your name for the record, please?
So you gotta spell name. She wants you to say it and spell it.
Boudreaux.
Yeah, spell it.
B-O.
First
and last name.
Ernestine Boudreaux.
Spell it.
First name E-A-R-N-E-S-T-I-N-E. Boudreaux.
I just wanted to make sure that it was right for the record. Thank you. Okay. Counselor?
Yes, it's pleading responsible and asking for time to pay as much time as the court will allow.
Okay. Are you working now, Ms. Boudreaux?
Retired.
Okay. You're retired?
Yes.
I'm the car. I was the one driving the car. The car was just in her name. It's my car.
Well, then you better pay this ticket, sir.
Yeah, I am.
All right. Is it 50 or 55?
It's 50. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna double check.
So first of all, Ms. Boudreaux, it is a civil infraction. You do wish to plead responsible to the civil infraction of parking on the sidewalk?
Yes.
And you had an opportunity to talk to Attorney Ogletree, and he gave you all your rights and you understood everything, correct?
Yes.
All right, so the court is gonna enter a responsible plea on your behalf for parking on the sidewalk. It is a $50, I don't know why I wanna keep saying 55. It's a $50 fee. Of course, the longer you take to pay a young man, the more it's gonna be, and it's in your grandmother's name, so you're gonna pay it within the next 14 days, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay it tomorrow or Thursday.
Okay, so you have until May 16th to pay it. I'm not gonna bother you, Ms. Boudreaux, to come back onto this Zoom. But you make sure that your grandson pays that $50 within by May 16th, because it goes up and I can't control how it goes up.
Yes. Yes, I sure will.
And you stop driving, you stop parking on the sidewalk, young man.
Yeah, I am.
All right, take care.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. $50, May 16th. Parties ready on Deshaun Broaden. Please turn your camera on, Mr. Broaden. Now calling People versus Deshaun Jalen Broaden, ticket number P1424721, one count of no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Broaden. State your name.
Deshaun Broaden.
Yes, he showed me documentation for the ticket.
Okay, and what vehicle was that for, Mr. Ogletree?
Let me pull up like one moment.
Mr. Broaden, was it for the 2013 black Ford that you were driving on that day, or is it in your name?
No, it's for the tourist.
It's for the tourist. All right, so the court The court has confirmed that an officer of the court has verified insurance is in fact on the car, on the vehicle in question, therefore the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Browder, make sure that you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you at all times, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm looking at the document right now. It says 2013 Ford Taurus.
Thank you. You're free to go, Mr. Browder.
Thank you.
You want them all together from this one too?
These empty. Oh,
One moment. Ms. Buford, you ready to proceed?
Yes, I am.
yes, just two.
Just the two.
Yes.
Now calling the people versus Laquanda Nicole Buford, ticket number P 1437472, count 1, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no proof of insurance. Please state your appearance for the record.
Yes, Aaron Oshie, on behalf of Ms. Buford.
I'm sorry.
Ms. Buford, will
Say
you
your
state your name?
name.
My maiden name, Laquanda Pratt.
Ms. Buford, you sound very muffled.
Can you hear me now?
It's better. Say your name again for the record so that my court reporter can hear you clearly.
Laquanda Nicole Buford. My maiden name is Laquanda Pratt.
Thank you.
Yes,
Counselor?
yes, she's showing me both documents over the Zoom screen.
Okay, and that's for the 2019 Black Dodge?
Yes. But it had someone else's name on the document, but the same last name.
Okay, no problem. We, the court has verified or has acknowledged that an officer of the court has verified that you do in fact have the insurance and registration on the vehicle in question. Therefore, the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Buford, make sure that you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you at all times, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're free to go. Have a good day.
You too.
Mr. Ogletree, did we let LaShante Baldwin go with the new date?
No, that was the one where, the court clerk checked and saw she had valid, driver's license, and she did show me her, proof of insurance. So I
Where
guess
is
she
she?
must have just left. I don't know. She's supposed to stay.
Maybe her right here, this one. I think this is
All
her.
right, Ms. Brooks, are you ready? Will you turn your camera on? Ms. Brooks, turn your camera on. Ready to
Yes.
proceed.
Okay.
Now, she has 3. Ms. Brooks has 3. Now calling the people versus Stacy Camille Brooks, ticket number P 1435049, count 1. Ms.
Yes.
Burks.
Yes.
No, I'm not done. I'm sorry. There was some interference. Count 1 is improper plates. Count 2 is driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3 is no proof of insurance. Please state your appearance for the record.
Aaron Oshie, about for Ms. Brooks. Please say your name, Ms. Brooks.
Stacy Brooks.
Yeah, she showed me documentation. For example, the insurance says 2004 Pontiac Grand Am.
Okay, so the court has acknowledged that the officer of the court has verified that there is valid plates, registration, and insurance on the vehicle that Ms. Brooks was driving on February 25th of 2023. Therefore, the matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Brooks, make sure you're keeping those documents in the vehicle with you anytime you're driving, ma'am. Have a
Yes,
good day. You are
Thank
free
you.
to go.
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. Do
Okay.
you want the other person to see if that's?
I found her. She's right here. I let her in.
I gotta do that. I have no-
Hmm.
Come on. Thank you. Ready on, LaShawn Baldwin, please turn your camera on, be ready to proceed with court, ma'am. Yes, three.
I'm here.
Two. The,
No apps,
yeah, the no license and the registration.
so no insurance, what happened to that? Oh, it's a simple.
Wanted to equal.
It wouldn't be 729. Mr. Ogletree, did she have insurance on the vehicle as well?
Yes,
She did.
yeah.
So I'm gonna read the no insurance ticket on the record if you wanna, make a motion to set aside the default.
It's
Wait,
closed. That's
wait, one
closed.
moment, wait. She paid it?
Yep, she paid.
Oh, I'm sorry, she already paid it. So now calling the People versus LaShante Monquise Baldwin, ticket number X 4098641, count one, no operator's license, multiple apps, no app. Count two, drove unregistered vehicle. Please state your appearance for the record.
Aaron Ocean about Ms. Baldwin. Ms. Baldwin, state your name.
Lashante Baldwin.
Yes, respectfully request dismissal due to valid documentation.
And that is for the 2010 Cadillac.
Yes,
Okay, the court has acknowledged and an officer of the court has verified that Ms. Baldwin, or there is current, wait, one moment. Did we check her insurance, her driver's license?
We did.
So the court verified that she does have valid driver's license, and the officer of the court has verified that she does have registration, valid registration on the 2010 Cadillac in question. Therefore, these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Baldwin, make sure that you're keeping these documents in the vehicle with you at all times, ma'am, and you're free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Mr. Barber, Barber, will you turn your camera on, be ready for me to call your case next?
Yes, ma'am.
and his documentation is to a 2018 Hyundai.
Okay, perfect. Now calling the People versus Kiwan Barber, ticket number P 1391542, count one, drove unregistered untitled vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record.
Aaron Ocean about Mr. Barber. Mr. Barber, please state your name.
Keywan Barber.
We're respectfully requesting dismissal due to valid documentation.
Okay, the court has acknowledged that an officer of the court has verified that you do in fact have updated or valid registration and insurance on the 2018 Hyundai in question. Therefore, these matters will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Barber, you are free to go.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
No worries. Have a good day. Keep those documents in the vehicle with you at all times so you're not wasting your time in court with me in the afternoon.
Will do. Thank you.
Have a good one.
All right, you too.
All right, that concludes this afternoon's docket, Mr. Ogletree.
All right, take care.
You too,
It's
thank
always
you.
a pleasure working with you and your staff.